Have you ever wondered what it's like to face a mythical beast in a blinding snowstorm? Stranded high in the Himalayas, Emma found herself caught in a fierce blizzard. As visibility vanished, she heard an eerie growl nearby. Suddenly, the legendary Yeti emerged, towering and majestic. Instead of fear, Emma felt an unexpected connection. Facing the creature, she realized they were both seeking warmth and safety. In that surreal moment, the snowstorm faded away. The Yeti nodded, guiding her to a hidden cave. Together, they waited for the storm to pass, forging an unforgettable bond. Emma returned with an incredible tale of survival and friendship, shattering myths forever.